Assalamualaikum. My name is Shushu. I am 10 years old. Now I am a Nusrat Sababa and a refugee now. I'm from a middle class family in Myanmar. Now I'm living in the world's largest winter refugee camp in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. My father is Nurul Amin. He is a shopkeeper and works as a dialysis volunteer. My mother controls the whole family. We are 3 brothers and 3 sisters. Among them, I am the 5th one in my family. My educational qualification is class 8 now. I was in grade 4 when I fled from Myanmar to Bangladesh as a Rohingya. I faced genocide, violence and discrimination in Myanmar. I had no opportunity to study in Myanmar. In 2017, the Myanmar military killed thousands of Rohingya men, women, children. I lost everything. They abandoned everything, including my home in 2017. I wish I could have passed the matriculation exam if I had needed to flee my country. Although I am a refugee girl, I have big dream to become a well-educated woman and a leader. Because there are very few well-educated women and a leader in our community. This is why I want to be a well-educated woman and a leader. After becoming a leader, I want to work and improve leadership skills, especially for girls and women in my community. In conclusion, all of the above are about myself. I'm very confident and committed to study any university. It is my destination to fulfill my dream in the future.